Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about very basic Spring interview question. Explain Bean life cycle. Spring framework is based on IOC, inversion of control. So we call it as IOC container, inversion of control container. Also, so Spring Beans reside inside the IOC container. The Spring Beans are nothing but plain old Java objects, POJO. Following steps explain their life cycle inside the container. The Spring container will look for the bean definition inside the configuration file, or if you are using annotations, it will try to scan at component and other annotations. Using reflection container will create the object, and if any property is defined inside the bean definition, then it will also be set. So inside the bean definition you have another bean, so that will also be created and set using auto wiring. Or if the bean implements the bean name aware interface, the factory calls set bean name passing the bean's ID. If the bean implements bean factory aware interface, the factory calls set bean factory passing an interface to itself. If there are any bean post processes associated with the bean, their post process before initialization methods will be called before the properties for the bean are set. If an init method is specified for the bean, it will be called. If the bean class implements disposable bean interface, then the method destroy will be called when the application no longer needs the bean reference. If the bean goes out of the scope, then destroy method will be called. If the bean definition in the configuration file contains destroy method attribute, then the corresponding method definition in the bean class will be called. So these are the steps involved in the life cycle of a bean inside the Spring container. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.